Guess what it's time for?
Would you like a schmuck and a pancake?
So Amsterdam is back. Classic City series. General release. Let's have a look in the box. First thing to point out, you get the really nice art card in the box. The nice bio, as you can read there. Always cool to get these in the packet. Here we go, guys. So it is, as I said, a classic City series. It does what it says on the tin. You do have a nice depth to the suede on this. You can see that, guys. Really nice. As I said, it does what it says on the tin. You do get a lace swap in the box, which is nice. So you get your contrast laces that'll go with the stripes. I think, yeah, that'll really work well on this shoe. Do a toe to tongue over here. These are, I'm going to say, true to size on the upper end. Okay, for me, I've tried on, they are, say, a little roomy, but in my size, so I get size 9. So for me, okay, try but before you buy. You might want to look at half size down if you're particularly sensitive about snug fits. Plain heel around the back. Standard affair underneath. But like with a lot of the City series, it is the simplicity that is the beauty of the shoe. So I'm really happy with them, to be honest. I say they are a general release, so you should not, you shouldn't have much trouble getting hold of these. Everywhere has got them, or will have them, online, in store. Fantastic. Right, let's get these on foot. Catch you later, kids.